Raindrops fall like midnight pearls. Echoes dance in ribbons and swirls. You stand there smiling through the gray, and every tear just wants to stay. Your hand so warm in mine tonight. The thunder hums our hearts alight. The street reflections start to sing of all the hopes the rain will bring. The sax cries low, the piano breathes. Love returns through silver leaves. Soft rain promises come true. Every drop reminds me of you. No storm can wash our hearts away. We find the sun in gray. Umbrella shades our little space. A quiet world, a soft embrace. And through the rain I see your eyes. The sky reflects our sweet surprise. Lightning flashes gold above. Still we stand inside our love. When the storm has had its fill, your heart beats thunder still. Soft rain promises tonight. Love keeps burning in the light. River flows beneath the sky. Time drifts on and so do I. Your voice returns a tender call, the sound that saves me after all. The world's still blue, but not unkind. The past is calm inside my mind. The blues once hurt, but now they heal. Love's not gone, it's just more real. The trumpet sighs, the breeze takes hold, the water shimmers into gold. Gentle river, carry me to where my heart is meant to be. Let the rhythm flow along in your endless river song. The shore hums low, the air stands still. A saxophone bends soft at will. The sky turns pink, the sun turns shy. I find my peace where echoes lie. Memories float like silver waves. Every note the soul still saves. Gentle river, don't let go. Your song's the only truth I know. Drift me home where I belong, inside your endless river song. The night begins, the river hums, love flows and softly comes. When the record stops and the lights grow dim, I still hear the ghost of him. Every groove that played our tune still shines beneath the silver moon. The needle lives, but I remain, still tracing love through phantom pain. His laughter haunts the silent room, a tender curse, a sweet perfume. The brass breathes low, the bass drifts slow. I close my eyes and let it flow. When the records stop, I'm still in time. Your memory hums between the lines. Though silence falls, I hear the song that kept our broken hearts so strong. golden warmth the evening shows. Your laughter sways in amber air. I close my eyes, you're everywhere. The table hums, the record spins, the city sighs as night begins. A glass, a smile, a quiet tone, feels like peace, feels like home. The trumpet hums, the candles sigh, the sky turns gold, the hours fly. Sunlight in my wine tonight fills my heart with faded light. I taste the day that used to be still sweet because you're here with me. Your hand rests soft against my sleeve. We breathe the dusk we won't believe. Each word you say dissolves the pain like soft, slow jazz through window rain. Every note a summer's in, every moment starts again. The light fades low, yet I still see the sun reflected, you and me. Sunlight in my wine remains, golden love in even veins. The world grows dim, but we still shine. A toast to love and time. Sunlight in my wine, still mine. Photographs in sepia tone tell stories time has never known. A younger me, a younger you, in smoky rooms where dreams came true. Your hand was steady, mine was small. We learned to dance before the fall. The radio played our favorite song, and every note still feels so strong. The horn cries sweet, the drums soft slide. Time rewinds where hearts collide. Whispers in sepia remain. Love that never feels like pain. Faded edges, but hearts so clear. I still hear you whisper near. The years have spun, the vinyl's thin, but your song plays beneath my skin. Every scratch a memory's trace, every pause your soft embrace. The band slows down, the lights turn low, the past and present start to glow. I close my eyes and feel you there in every note, in every prayer. Whispers in sepia stay. Your voice won't fade away. Through black and white, the soul still sees our love in minor keys. As the record slows and drops, the whisper never stops. Neon lights and velvet skies, the city hums where your rhythm lies. Heels on pavement, soft and slow, I follow where the blues winds blow. Street lights dance on silver rain, taxi horns hum sweet refrain. The trumpet sighs, the night's alive. I'm chasing dreams that still survive. I hear your voice down every street, a ghost in jazz and gentle beat. On Midnight Avenue I walk alone, but your echo makes this city home. Every note in every bar still remembers who we are. The club lights dim, the crowd leans in, that same old band begins again. The smoke curls high, the bass runs low, and love still hums an undertone. The night swings gold, the rhythm true. My heart still dances close to you. On Midnight Avenue I feel your flame. The blue still whispers your name. So I sing until the dawn breaks through, still loving you. On Midnight Avenue. The city sleeps, the band plays slow, my heart in rhythm, soft and low. Ah. The vinyl spins a gentle ray, and blues turns gold in sweet decay. Your voice like honey, low and true, reminds me what the heart can do. The trumpet sings, the sky breeze wide. Love feels safe when you're inside. No tears tonight, no broken vows, just soft forgiveness in the now. Golden afternoon, stay near. The past is gone, but you're still here. In every note, the light renewed, a soulful gold of rhythm blues. The city slow, the record glow, your hand in mine, a gentle flow. We hum along to songs we knew and find the joy that once was true. Let the brass cry in the breeze. Love's return comes with ease. We were blue, but now we shine in this afternoon divine. Golden afternoon fades slow. Your smile's the sun I'll always know. Satin street beneath my heel, the night reveals how the heart feels. A melody floats down the lane, love's refrain in midnight rain. Your shadow moves, the city hums, the rhythm in my body drums. I turn around and there you stand, a saxophone inside your hand. The world fades down, the band begins, we dance again where time's worn thin. Satin street serenade, where blues and love are softly played. You take my hand, I lose my fear. The music pulls you near. Your voice a breeze through city lights, a whisper made for endless nights. We sway until the dawn appears, a harmony that lasts for years. Replies, the stars blink slow in summer sky. Satin street serenade, where broken hearts are softly swayed. In every note we start anew, the street still sings for me. satin street. Don't fade away, keep our song for one more day. Pour me slow that amber hue, a little warm, the dream of you. The crowd fades out, the lights turn low, the jukebox hums a tune I know. I tilt my glass, your voice returns, the record spins, a candle burns. The same old smile I can't forget still plays beneath the silhouette. A trumpet cries, a bass replies, the rhythm soft, the memory lies. Velvet whiskey nights and sighs, sweet smoke drifting through my eyes. You're gone, but here in sound and flame, this glass still whispers your name. To your old song, the one that made the night so long. The bartender knows not to ask, just fills my blues in crystal glass. I see your ghost in golden haze, dancing slow through smoky maze. Love's not gone, it's just asleep in whiskey dreams that run so deep. Velvet whiskey nights and dreams flow through heart in amber streams. I toast to love that never dies through velvet whiskey means.